This is CGTN, China Global Television Network.
The olive harvesting season kicked off this week in the mountainous region of Fessirs, northwest of Tunisia. Every day, Qais walks for miles from a distant village to reach his farm. Modern machines have never been used in this area. People here cling to hand-picking traditions.
I
inherited 600 trees from my ancestors. I'm harvesting in the same old way. I know that technology has revolutionized agriculture, but I love olive trees. I cannot hurt them with machine noise.
Over centuries, many families have survived on olive oil. The sacred trees have always been generous to the impoverished population. Boujema remembers his first harvest during the Second World War.
Planting olive trees was not only for fun, it was also a matter of survival in this remote region. I still remember how I accompanied my grandparents during the winter picking season. I lived to harvest the olive trees and to hold the sacred olive in my hands.
This is the last smoking chimney in this town. It is the symbol of one of the few remaining traditional olive oil mills in the North African state. Here, olive oil extraction is believed to be an art and a gift, which require patience and skill.
The olives are washed, a paste of olives is obtained using millstones, the paste is pressed over circular mats, the juice is transferred into a recipient. When the unwanted particles settle at the bottom, olive oil is transferred into the bottles.
Many landowners prefer this traditional mill to modern ones. Here, tasting the organic extra virgin olive oil with homemade bread is still an exceptional experience. It is a pure and genuine Mediterranean tradition.
When olive oil is extracted according to traditions, it is healthier. The golden liquid remains tasty and shiny for 12 months or more. I've never used any drug from a pharmacy. Olive oil is my cure.
There are hundreds of centenary olive trees in El Kef region. Many Tunisians have accredited their longevity and youthfulness to olive oil. The Ministry of Agriculture estimates that next season will yield 140 to 160,000 tons of olive oil. Tunisia was the world's second largest producer in 2018. Adnen, Chaouachi, CGTN, El Kef, Tunisia.